Simple interest. Simple interest is the interest accumulated when the interest payment in each period is a fixed fraction of the principal. So what do we mean by this? Let's suppose you invested $100 and you knew that you were going to get 10% simple interest every year. 10% of $100 is $10, so every single interest payment you receive would be $10. When plotted on a graph, the total amount accrued is seen to grow linearly. So, for example here, let's suppose we started with 1,000, and then this looks like we're getting 5% interest, and this is going to go up the same amount every single time because it's simple interest. So every payment is the same, and therefore the balance in the account is going to follow a straight line. If we were to invest a principal P dollars at a rate R% per annum, and we're working with simple interest, and we do it for T years, then the interest earned, which we'll call I, is given by the formula I is equal to P times R times T over 100. And here you would be substituting the R as this percentage. The value of the investment after T years, or the amount in the account, is then given by the amount in the account is equal to the principal, the amount you invested, plus the accumulated interest, which is given by the formula. Note, whenever you see a flat rate of interest, they're talking about simple interest. Sometimes the simple interest formula is written without the 100, just I is equal to PRT. And in fact, this is how it's written on the formula sheet for this course. So what's happening here is that instead of substituting R as the percentage, you turn it into a decimal first. So you do the R divided by 100 and then put the R in as a decimal. Now I've just answered this question. What would you need to do if you wanted to use this version of the formula? Well, you'd use R is equal to R divided by 100, and then you substitute it in. Now something that's really important when working with this simple interest formula is time conversions. Sometimes a term deposit is for a shorter period of time. So we need to use these. Well, 1 year we know is 12 months. Remember, although it's not exact, we use it as a convention that 1 year is 52 weeks. 1 year always in these things is going to be 365 days. We don't worry about leap years. And this one's fairly obvious. 1 year is 4 quarters. And remember, a fortnight is 2 weeks. So if there's 52 weeks, there's going to be 26 fortnights.